It's time for the summer edition of the $5 Goodwill Challenge hosted by Hillary at Old World Home. If you want to see what I was able to come up with, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I have got the sweetest little item to show you that I picked up at a thrift shop. But first, let me show you my fails. The first thing that caught my eye when I went to the Salvation Army was this cute little ladder. I just thought it was adorable, and I was wanting something for this table. I just kind of wanted to change up the arrangement that I had on the table here in the kitchen, but I like for things to be kind of clean and clutter-free as possible, but I did want to add a little bit of color. So I saw this ladder, and it was just $2.99, so I thought, okay, let's pick that up and see what I can do with this. So I put that in my cart, kept looking around, and then I found this little box, and I thought it was just adorable. I thought the Mickey and Minnie on the front were cute, but wasn't necessarily something that I wanted to keep. But I thought, what could I do with the two of these together? And with it being summer and the 4th of July coming soon, I thought this would be perfect to add some color to my kitchen. And as you see from these green walls, the red certainly offers a nice pop because I do accent with red here in the kitchen. And I brought it home and tried it out, and it just didn't work. And I also picked this up. Let me show you this. I was helping my sister clean out the garage, and I got this for free. And I thought, now this is really cute too, and I could do something with that in the kitchen. And looking at the label on it, it was from the Dollar Tree distribution, I don't know how many years ago, because this thing is old. And so I brought it home, and I just couldn't seem to make it work. I turned this upside down. I thought I'll put this jar in here and I'll put a floral in it. Didn't like it. And then I remembered that I had also picked up this. I picked this up at the Dove's Nest thrift shop. And I don't know, I have a thing for soup tureens. I must have 4 or 5 of them around here, and rarely use them. I just use them for decorative pieces, but I just love them. So now let me show you this. It is just adorable. First of all, there's 3 pieces. You've got the lid, you've got the ladle, and then you've got the bowl of the piece itself. And one of the things that I liked about it was this detailing of these flowers and the petals on the front, as well as on the back. And then look at the handles. There's even a detail in the handles, and the handles are nice and sturdy. You've got the same detailing on the lid, and there on the handle. And then look at the price. It's $5. So it was perfect. So I decided, you know what? This is what I'm going to use. And whereas I thought I didn't like farmhouse, I've been finding myself leaning towards farmhouse. So this is the piece that I'm going to use now. Let me show you what I did with it. So I decided to take this beaded tray that came with one of my entertaining sets and put the soup tureen just right there. Just right there at an angle. And then put this sweet little floral arrangement there, along with my cow salt and pepper shakers. And I decided it needed a little height. So I put that cupcake stand there. It gives it just a little bit of height and just brings everything together. And there's the perfect little vignette for my kitchen table. take this opportunity to thank Hillary at Old World Home for hosting this challenge. It really gave me the push I needed to just switch it up, just mix it up a little bit for summer. And I am going to link her channel below because she does some amazing things over there. You will really like her channel. And then also you'll want to check out all the other creators in the playlist. So I'll link the playlist below as well as Hillary's channel. Now here's my question for you. Which part of this sweet little vignette did you like best? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.